Yeah, we at bubbakoos. Yeah, man. Yeah, we're going up in bubbakoos. Going up in here, bubbakoos. Get some out of here. Yeah. Yeah, let me get. I took extra onions on there.
I wrapped it like a professional, sorry.
That's so good. Yeah, look at that. Yo, is that cake? That's queso?
Yeah.
Can I get some of that queso? I don't care. Yeah, let me get some queso.
Yeah. They're both pushing, that's good.
Yeah, look at that. Hey, can I get peppers too? Can I get both peppers, jalapeno, and let me get both? Yeah, let me get both. Let me get some. Yeah, let me get some of them peppers. Yeah. What's that? That spicy sauce.
Yeah, these two are spicy. Salsa bread and with jalapenos.
Let me get it. Can I get some of that spicy sauce on it? Yeah. Can I get some of the onions on there too? I guess cheese and corn. What's that? Is that cheesy corn or?
Oh, this is Mexican street corn. It's also sweet.
It's what?
It's Mexican street corn.
Let me get.
Parmesan.
Let me get that one then. Yeah. Matter of fact. Yeah. Let me get that.
So just the sauce would be, I guess, the sauce on the side. Sriracha
Then
ranch,
some cheese on there.
on the side, please. Sriracha ranch.
You said lettuce, right?
Yeah. You put some sauce on there already? The spicy.
Yeah, I put that one.
Okay, all right. Yeah, and just let me get lettuce. That should be cool. Yeah.
That's it, right? We're on here.
And then it says dips, pico, and sour cream.
Okay, did you want it on the side or on
Yeah, on the side is good. Yeah. And then a small gypsy block.
And you want the 4 ounce or the 2 ounce?
The 2 ounce. Do the 4 ounce. Yeah.
Yeah, we have bubbakoos, man. Bubbakoos today. Ooh, yeah. Yes, yeah, man. Yeah, man. Look at that joint. Up. I don't even know where to pick it up at, man. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Nah, I ain't had bubbakoos in a minute.
left the house, went to work, and was never seen again.
Well, he tried to buy people for an office. Maybe he got called out of town somewhere.
Nikki, we are way past that.
He has been missing for almost 24 hours. His phone's not working. He's not answering any calls. Billy asked Victor for proof that he had Jack, and someone sent him a picture of
Unconscious. Phyllis still has the job chancellor and will sign it over Phyllis. You have no way to market Victor.
You promised Billy, Chancellor, private negotiation, and what's the holdup? Is that question? Is it how it's been unusual? You shouldn't be surprised. The classic Phyllis means nothing. I'm not sure it's supposed to be his best course of action. What do you want from me? Huh? Do you want me to beg you to save my husband? Do you want me to grovel at your feet? Would that make you happy? Because I didn't.
Look at that.
Because
How big this joint is.
we need your help. So yeah, I am begging you to do whatever it takes to save my husband.
Oh, man.
Another remote, that's irritating. Maybe your retinol should. You will lay retinol 24 with true collagen peptides. Visibly repairs wrinkles and dark spots without all the irritation. You will lay retinol 24. Only bronchiectasis flares can make you loud. So loud, your flares can feel like they take over. And the worst part, flares can cause permanent damage to your lungs. It's time to quiet your bronchiectasis flares by preventing as many as you can. Ask a pulmonologist about a different bronchiectasis treatment option that can help. Learn more at treatbd.com.
I'm John Morgan.
This one is huge.
With so many mesothelioma lawyers on television, how do you choose the right firm for you and your family? Our goal is to give you as much as you deserve. $30 billion is set aside for mesothelioma victims like you. If you've been diagnosed with mesothelioma, we'll come to you within 24 hours so our team can get to work right away. Call us now. Call 800-502.
Into all my beer.
Call now.
Yeah.
Is it bored?
I'm gonna save the rest for later.
Because of your week. But now, the pet-friendly weed grass killer.
Or should I just eat it now? Damn it.
Spruce works differently by dehydrating to the roots for dead weeds in just 1 day. So go ahead.
Yeah, I'm just gonna eat it all, man.
With Spruce, pet-friendly weed dead.
High blood pressure, type 2 diabetes. You two are kidneys gonna be sitting out of this or fish psychotic type or stroke. Don't listen to signal. Ask your doctor about a simple urine test called UACR and join our mission.
You be driving down the road and something happens to your engine or your transmission. Now you got to figure out how to tow the car, where to tow it to, how much it's going to cost. Whereas you have a company like Car Shield back, and then you make a phone call, everything's taken care of.
So you walk us through a little bit of like a car breakdown, what happens on the customer side and what you see?
Every day, battery shop is just coming bawling their eyes out because their car's warranty just ran out. They got all these new expenses now they have to pay for it. Some of the average cost of the transmission would range anywhere from $3,000 to $7,000. Engines can go anywhere from $5,000 to $14,000, $15,000. If you can get Car Shield, do it. Don't even think twice. Give them a call, see what you can do to get on that program because it's going to give you peace of mind.
No other company protects drivers like Car Shield. All you need to do is call Car Shield now before your car breaks down.
Car Shield can save you thousands. Just call before a breakdown happens. Call 800-214-7837.
If you're restless, we'll continue.
What I'm seeing here is him asking for his money back. And he gave, well, he said
I felt bad.
Jacobian miners, you like climbers. These guys know what it takes to win, and that's exactly what they do. Win.
I was rear-ended and needed a good attorney. Jacobian Myers did a great job and got me what I deserved. I would recommend them to anyone who has been injured.
Yeah, I should have eaten this whole thing.
Jacobian Myers has recovered roughly $3 million since 1972. Locally grown and nationally known. This spring, the moments that matter start at ShopRite. From Easter to Passover, find all your holiday essentials. Fresh, delicious, and always at low prices. Because when families come together, saving matters. ShopRite, we are here.
It's almost like they're second hand.
Join City with your first alert forecast on CBS News New York.
Bubba Wallace and Nate Burleson hit the NASCAR track on CBS Mornings.
Damn, I should eat all that. Man.